Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of minimalism, a way of life that brings clarity and intention. It's not about stark rooms and empty shelves, but about making space for what truly matters. In 10 minutes, we'll cover 30 minimalist rules to transform your life. Ready to simplify and create space for what you love? Let's get started. Let's start with the physical space around us. That overwhelming feeling when you look around, you're not alone. Begin with a small area, a drawer, a shelf, a corner of your desk. As you go through each item, ask yourself, do I use this? Do I love this? Does it add value to my life? If the answer is no, let it go. Decluttering isn't about deprivation, it's about making space for what truly matters. Have you ever noticed how that drawer full of cheap t-shirts never satisfies? True fulfillment comes from quality, not quantity. Instead of buying cheap, trendy items that fall apart quickly, invest in well-made, timeless pieces you'll cherish for years. You'll save money in the long run, and your home will feel more curated and intentional. Simplify your wardrobe with versatile, high-quality pieces. This reduces decision fatigue and lets you focus on what truly matters. Remember searching endlessly for that one important document? Paper clutter kills productivity. Spend a weekend tackling those stacks. Scan important documents and store them in the cloud. Invest in a good scanner and create a simple filing system. For physical documents, consider a small, fireproof safe. Before you click Add to Cart, pause. Ask yourself, do I really need this? Will this add value to my life, or am I just caught up in the moment? Mindful consumption is about being intentional. Focus on what truly matters. Do you feel like you're racing against the clock, always busy but never truly present? Simplify your schedule. Identify your priorities, activities that bring joy, fulfillment, and align with your values. Eliminate or delegate everything else. Say no to commitments that drain your energy and time. Your time is your most valuable asset. Spend it wisely. Our physical spaces aren't the only ones that need decluttering. Our digital lives can become just as overwhelming. Start by organizing your computer's desktop and downloads folder. Unsubscribe from newsletters you never read. Delete apps you don't use. Implement a system for managing emails and notifications. A clean digital space leads to a clearer, more focused mind. Think back to a recent purchase that brought you joy. Was it a gadget or a trip with loved ones? Research shows experiences bring more lasting happiness than possessions. Shift your spending to prioritize experiences. Travel, concerts, new restaurants, learning a new skill. These create memories and enrich our lives. Social media can be a powerful tool for connection, but it can also become a source of anxiety and wasted time. Set boundaries. Choose specific times to check social media and avoid mindless scrolling. Unfollow accounts that don't inspire you. Your time and attention are precious. This rule is simple but effective. For every new item you bring into your home, let go of an old one. Bought new shoes? Donate a pair you no longer wear. This practice prevents clutter and keeps your possessions in check. It's a reminder to be mindful of what you bring into your life. Our environment impacts our productivity and focus. A cluttered workspace leads to a cluttered mind. Clear your desk of everything except essentials. Invest in a good desk organizer. Use a minimal color palette, and bring in greenery to enhance focus and creativity. A clean workspace can do wonders for your productivity and peace of mind. In a world that tells us we need more, it's easy to lose sight of what we have. Take time each day to practice gratitude. Write down 3 things you're grateful for, like a warm cup of coffee, a supportive friend, or a beautiful sunset. Gratitude shifts our focus from what we lack to what we have, fostering contentment and happiness. Cooking doesn't have to be complicated. Embrace simple, nutritious meals with fewer ingredients. Think one-pot pasta dishes, hearty salads, or stir-fries packed with fresh vegetables. Focus on whole, unprocessed foods that nourish your body and simplify your life. We often say yes out of obligation or fear of missing out, But overcommitting leads to burnout and resentment. Politely decline requests that don't serve you and prioritize activities that bring you joy and fulfillment. Money matters can be a major source of stress. Simplify your finances by automating bill payments, tracking your spending, and creating a budget that aligns with your values. Taking control of your finances can bring peace of mind and free up mental energy for what truly matters in life. Just as our physical spaces can become cluttered, so too can our minds. Incorporate mindfulness practices into your daily routine. Meditation, even for a few minutes each day, can help calm the mind, reduce anxiety, and increase focus and clarity. The constant barrage of news can be overwhelming. Be mindful of what you consume. Choose uplifting content that nourishes your mind and soul. Cleaning doesn't have to be a dreaded chore. Simplify your routine with multi-purpose cleaners and a cleaning schedule. Declutter regularly to prevent things from piling up. A clean, organized home creates calm and order in your life. When selecting items for your home, opt for those that serve multiple purposes. This minimalist approach reduces clutter, creating a more streamlined and efficient living environment. Our consumption habits have a direct impact on the environment. Adopt sustainable practices to minimize your waste. Use reusable bags, water bottles, and food containers. Compost food scraps, recycle diligently. Support companies committed to sustainability. Even small changes can make a big difference in reducing your environmental footprint. Start today. Our bathrooms can become a breeding ground for products we rarely use. Simplify your beauty routine with fewer high-quality products. True beauty comes from within, not from many products. Minimalism isn't just about physical possessions. It extends to our relationships too. Focus on cultivating meaningful connections with people who lift you up, inspire you, and bring joy to your life. Let go of toxic relationships that drain your energy and don't serve your highest good. Surround yourself with people who make you feel loved, supported, and truly valued. It's easy to get caught up in trying to do it all, but spreading ourselves too thin can lead to burnout. Choose a few hobbies you are truly passionate about and dedicate your time and energy to those. It's better to be fully engaged in a few activities than to dabble in many without truly excelling. Traveling light is liberating. Create a minimalist travel kit with essentials. Choose versatile clothing items, pack travel-sized toiletries, and leave behind unnecessary gadgets. Packing light lets you move freely, reduces stress, and focus on experiences and memories. Your home should be your sanctuary, a place of peace and tranquility. Opt for a clean, uncluttered aesthetic with neutral colors, natural textures, and minimal decorations. A minimalist home promotes a sense of calm, clarity, and overall well-being. Before you make a purchase, ask yourself, do I need this or just want it? Will this add value or end up forgotten in a drawer? Shop with intention. Choose quality over quantity. In our digital world, it's easy to get sucked into screens. Set limits on your TV and device usage. Spend time in nature, connect with loved ones, and engage in activities that nourish your soul. Minimalism is more than just rules. It's a mindset shift. Focus on what truly matters: experiences, relationships, personal growth, and making a difference. Let go of material possessions and external validation, and find contentment within. Having too many goals can be overwhelming and counterproductive. Choose a few clear, achievable goals that align with your values. Break down large goals into smaller steps and celebrate your progress. Remember, it's not about doing it all, it's about doing what matters most. Minimalism is a journey, not a destination. Reflect on your progress, reassess priorities, and adjust as needed. Regular reflection helps refine your minimalist lifestyle, creating a fulfilling life. Thanks for watching. If you found these minimalist rules helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm excited to be on this journey with you, discovering how to live more intentionally and find freedom in simplicity. Share your favorite minimalist rule in the comments below. Which one resonated with you the most? Let us know. See you in the next video.